Okay, up next, a good friend of mine, Mr. McNeil. Okay, and of course, Dylan McDonald. Let's see what you got, man. Aha! Wow, swapping. Oh, and of course, eto na, talunin ko sila, boys. From Philippines, Mr. Boto Mangusong. Yan, may pilay pa yan. Ano, isa pa ba? Kung mag-judge na tayo. Okay. Pumalagpak ko ngayon, ha? Contestant number 1, Phil Austin Mirasol. Medyo mahina. Sige lang. Contestant number 2, Jared McNeil. Oy! Alam niyo po magkano premyo nito, Mayor? House and lot. Yung house sa Puerto Princesa, yung lot sa Enlido. Kayo na bahala dyan. And of course, our contestant number 3, Dylan McDonald. Parang bias man itong Puerto Princesa. Alam ko na sinong mangyari. Our contestant number 4, Mr. Bono Mangusong! Boys, you win house and lot from our humble mayor, Lucilo Mayron. House is from Puerto Princesa, lot is in Lido. Alright, now this time, pareho sila magaling sa wheelie. Ngayon naman, balik na rin ho natin. Endo, o yung Staffy. Alam niyo yan? Sino yung mahilig na